Dear sons and daughters of Senior Prophet Jeremiah Fufeyin, I wish to inform you all that on Tuesday, the 1st of November 2022, we shall be having our final meeting at the House of El Shaddai, Accra Central, to deliberate and plan on Papa's coming to Ghana this year. Time, 9 a.m. prompt. Venue, House of El Shaddai at the alley in between Stanbic Bank and Opportunity Bank, close to the Accra General Post Office roundabout. Numbers to call, +233 054 08 98 202 or +233 05 98 92 4929. Also remember that delegates and pastors from Christ Mercyland Deliverance Ministry will be present in our meeting. God bless you. Mercyland. Mercy is your